Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Last evening saw the opening ceremony for the 23rd staging for Touch of France. In attendance was Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, who spoke to E-Prime on the diplomatic relations between Jamaica and France.
It is critical for a small country like Jamaica, and we have had an international vision from our independence. The Ministry of External Affairs was in fact the first ministry that was created when we became independent, because we recognize that partnerships support your national growth. And we've tried very hard to ensure that we build the relationships, both personal and commercial. And you would see that the administration has been particularly focused on ensuring that we encourage investment, we're stable democracy, stable economic environment, and therefore a good place to come and do business.
Pierre Lemaire, president of Alliance Française de Jamaïque, spoke to the return after a 2-year hiatus.
We started in 2000. We used to do it every year, then every 2 years. Then there was a little gap and we started back every 2 years, and then came COVID. We should have done our 20th anniversary on 2020. This year we decided to relaunch the event. Touch of France is about the mix. French and Jamaican meeting each other and working together.
CEO of Saint International, Dwight Peters, has especially invited supermodel for the Saints fashion show this Saturday night.
Our current face of Prada, global face of Prada, Kai Newman, is on her way to Jamaica to appear at the event. And of course, we have designers, local designers. Heather Lane will be showcasing. We have a collection from the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. And of course, the special guest designer out of Guadeloupe, Elliot Le Superbe.
As 2022 marks the 60th anniversary of Jamaica's independence and the 60th year since the establishment of diplomatic relations between Jamaica and France, A Touch of France 2022 will play its part to showcase the excellent cooperation between the two countries. JCF lifts entertainment ban in Guy's Hill, St. Catherine. A meeting was held recently at the Springfield Community Club to address issues in the Northeast St. Catherine community. Present at the meeting were residents, Member of Parliament Karencia Morrison, Acting Commander for the St. Catherine North Police Station Dwayne Wellington, and Sergeant Kenneth McTavish, who urged the residents of the community to comply with their entertainment permits. Now, promoters are required to apply for permits 10 days with the name of the sound playing, the venue, and all the relevant information about the event. Please abide. Now onto the international scene, where Black Panther Wakanda Forever is now in theaters. What is described as one of the most anticipated films for 2022, Wakanda Forever was